Hello and welcome to my review of ADS Securities, a brokerage firm that's actually based out of Abu Dhabi, UAE, but does have roots in London as well, and therefore is FCA regulated. So this is a market liquidity provider that's probably a little more on the professional side than many of you are used to. And because of that, they offer the professional account. You can see how much more in leverage they'll offer than the retail account. Don't let that dissuade you, though, because quite frankly, 1 to 30 is still a ton of leverage. They have their own platform called Forex, which you're seeing a look at right there. And they have the MetaTrader 4 platforms like you would expect. The ability to trade commodities, currencies, cryptocurrency, stocks, shares, indices, and even other markets gives you the ability to pretty much trade the globe. This is like, for example, treasuries, commodities. So you can trade oil, you can trade U.S. treasuries, Bitcoin, while buying Apple and shorting the Australian dollar. There's a lot of different things you can do. Spread betting, CFD is possible. So you can, if you're in Great Britain, for example, spread betting, of course, has its tax implications, so you can spread bet. There is, like I said, the MT4 platform, which most of you probably will use, but Forex is pretty interesting. It's a proprietary platform. It's beautiful charting, and it's really functional. It looks very interesting. Both are able to be used mobile, so that, of course, makes a difference too. And then, of course, they have the web trader, which you can use any browser to trade. Initial deposit is just $200. You can add money through a bank wire, credit card deposits, debit card deposits, Skrill, net teller. The spreads and conditions are pretty good. So, for example, in Forex, they have the spread conditions 0.9 in the euro, so that's pretty good spread. There are variable spreads. There are also fixed depending on which account. Give it the ECN or the standard. You can see that even on something like dollar yen 1.1, the euro, the pound is 1.4. Pretty decent spreads. Actually, this dollar mex at 33 isn't bad at all. A lot of other brokers, you're looking at 50 pips or so. Leverage, like I said before, is lower for the retail account, but quite frankly, that's not a bad thing. As far as extras are concerned, they're not necessarily going to be the brokerage for the beginning trader, because while they do have some information, it's not as in-depth as some others. So there is that. Really, though, I think at this point, if you are looking at a liquidity provider, and that's essentially what they are, you're not looking for education. You need to know what you're doing to get involved in this type of situation. You can see they have plenty of awards, been around for several years now. Demo accounts freely available for 60 days. And pretty straightforward broker, but it does give you access to a lot of different assets, which of course is a major benefit.